Hey guys, this is Noteshell. Today I'm going to walk you through our onboarding process. So we'll start off by creating a new project. Give it any name. Just going to choose second frame for this one. You can skip setup, but I'll recommend setup in your workspace. You can choose, first step is to choose a provider. We already have OpenCode and OpenAI set up. Once that's done, you can choose the model you want to use. I'm just going to deselect all the codex models since I don't want to use it right now. Continue. We can choose our default model. I'm just going to choose GPT 5.4 for now. Now we're going to upload our sources. This can be from any places, web links, recordings, whatever. I want you to choose my transcript resume as one of my uni assignments for now. Let's just choose compile now. It's going to compile in the background. So let's just continue. Now, the Nimbus is going to recommend us with a folder structure for our workspace. Edit it if you want. I'm happy with the current folder structure right now, so I'm going to choose create folders. Compile everything in the background, and we can see our sources over here. What's my current GPA? Yep, as you can see, it's successfully final GPA. Onboarding, thanks.
Hi, I'm Kwang. So this is our Noteshell, and I'll walk you through it feature by feature. First, let's look at our settings, where you can change the way it looks. You can change your font here, or access to the memory systems. So now let's dig into our first part, our node system. It's built to put user interaction at the center. So you can ask the AI to generate a node with a fully interactive component for visualization or to understand the concept better, just to customize it to your own needs. For example, I have a prompt like this, enter. It starts after we waited for it to generate a full node. Here's the result. As you can see, we have a file here named Cosmology A Deep Tour. So we have an overview board here, an outline, texts, formulas, mermaid diagrams, also an interactive component where you can better your understanding, like visualize it, play around it, just like this. LaTeX, a component here to show like some statistics, timeline, and so forth. Here's another note we have here about mean squared error. As you can see, it also has a text, notes, concepts, and also a visualizations that you can play around, or even a code block, a code program that you can hit the run button here, and it will start running the code for you, just like this. So now moving on to our second feature. So our reports, it's a little bit different from the node system, that you can use it to summarize or generate a report from your sources, your nodes, or simply when you want a freer format with blocks, diagrams, and so on. So here is our example. Here's a single cell RNA sequencing. It's a report that you can see it has a freer format, a little bit different from the node system, that it can contain some like more different components for you to play around or to export that into a PDF file. As you can see, it's more interactive and it has so many different formats right on your report. So now moving on to our third feature, which is our dashboard. So we built this for users to manage their day and manage their tasks while working on our app, what we have done so far in a day. Let's say it was great. And here we have a graph which it connects the dots. The dots here are the notes you have, or just the data the app has, or the wiki links, everything is stored here. So it's a great place for you to visualize your knowledge, or especially for AI agents, that it can retrieve the data, it can visualize, it can connect the dots together to find some hidden patterns, and that is our Noteshell. Thank you for listening.